My friends, right now I am very near to the birthplace of great freedom fighter in India, Satish Samant, whose residence is in Gopalpur, which is in the jurisdiction of Mohisadal of Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, this is the birthplace of great freedom fighter of India. He is Satish Samant. So my friends, now I shall show you the ins and outs of his residence and birthplace. And this is the area, this is the birthplace of great freedom fighter of India, Satish Samant. The history of India's struggle for independence is replete with stories of sacrifice and determination. While some names shine brightly in the annals of history, many lesser known heroes contributed significantly to the causes. Medinipur in West Bengal of India was a hotbed of freedom struggle during the pre-independence era, when India was under the oppressive rule of the British Empire. Many a great historical figure graced this place with their legendary presence. Veteran freedom fighters and personalities such as Sri Sushil Kumar Dhara, Satish Chandra Samant and Matangini Hazra had been a part. My friends, Satish Chandra Samant was a very different person since childhood. He was the kind of person who would spend time in philanthropy and serving the needy. He was born on 15th December in the year of 1900 in Mohisadal of Medinipur in West Bengal. His father was Trailakanath Samant and his mother was Kishori Devi. My friends, he got his education from Mohisadal Raj High School, and after that he went to Bangobasi College in Kolkata and then got admission in Bengal Engineering College in Howrah Shivpur. During his school days, he was initiated into the mantra of patriotism by being in the presence of personalities like revolutionary monk Swami Pragyanananda, then residents of Mohisadal 1916 to 1919, and ideal educationist Haripada Ghoshal. His ideals forced him to quit Bengal Engineering College while he was in the second year of college in Bengal Engineering College, and he plunged into the field of agitation, fighting against the British for freedom. And my friends, Sri Satish Chandra Samant was an active freedom fighter and socially active personality. In 1922 to 1924, he served as Secretary of Mohisadal Police Station Congress. From 1925 to 1930, he served as the head teacher of Kakurdaha Gunadhar National School and Nimtauri Desh Bandhu School. From 1931 to 1938, he was Secretary of Tamluk and Panchkuda Police Station Congress. After that, he played a significant role in the Quit India movement as the president of the Tamluk Division Congress. He formed the Tamralipto National Government and he was the first Sarvadhinayak. It is particularly noteworthy that this government formed by Satish Chandra Samant with his outstanding skills is the longest lasting national government in our country. This government, which was operated from 17th December 1942, was withdrawn on 1st September 1944 in the presence and instructions of Gandhiji. During the independence movement, he was sentenced to 7 years in prison 6 times at different areas. My friends, after India's independence, he was nominated as a member of Constituent Assembly and Provisional Parliament. After the election, he served many committees and commissions of Parliament as an MP from Tamluk for a long time. He was a great social worker. He was founder of Haldia Dock and his contribution for its development helped Haldia to emerge as one of the most preferred industrial areas of West Bengal. Haldia is his beloved daughter and he is the creator of modern Tamluk. A postage stamp was for Satish Chandra Samant, which was known for his leadership for Tamralipta National Government. This great soul left us for heavenly abode on June 4, 1983. My friends, I have turned up at the residence at the birthplace of great freedom fighter of India, respected Satish Samant. My friends, I am really perplexed to get to know that on that occasion he got out from these rural areas. He got out from his family on that occasion and he dedicated his life for the India's freedom. My friends, till today, his contribution on India's independence is the matter of culture, is the matter of memory, and is the matter of discussion to all of us. My friends, now the time comes to me to get off from this area of the birthplace or the native place or the residence place of the great freedom fighter of India, Satish Samant, who was born in Gopalpur, which is in jurisdiction of Mahishadal of Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India. My friends, thank you so much.